Cooper Steel started 1960. Mr. Cooper more or less had a welding machine and a pickup truck, and he did that on the side while he was pumping gas at a local gas station. So we have 3 facilities. We have Cooper Steel Fabricators, which is here in Shelbyville, Tennessee. We have Cooper Steel, Virginia, which is in Lynchburg, Virginia. And then we've got a third plant that we bought, which is Cooper Steel South in Childersburg, Alabama.
Here in the Shelbyville location, we like to specialize in the fast pace, high tonnage, low man hours. We're able to just streamline beams through the shop with less handling and able to keep the man hours low and be able to turn out the tonnage.
The machine that outperforms all other machines is going to be the 1250 drill line. It's a workhorse. You know, the 3 spindles, when you watch it drill, it's crazy how fast it is, how efficient it is, and just how much it can put through. It's a workhorse.
With 2 plate machines, we're able to increase plate capacity and assist our other fabrication shops as well as our other sub-fabricators with plate material as needed. The footprint of the machines help exponentially. The in-feed style machine, being able to load with a forklift outside and roll the plate inside, saves on a lot of shop floor space. Not only that, but with the ergonomics of the machine, parts fall off on the dump table, the conveyor belt brings them directly to you. We have very little material handling time, and you're able to count parts and mark on parts per row versus for an entire sheet.
Yes, I mean right now all 3 of our shops are running a facility where we're putting together the truss cords to be sent out.
One good thing we have is all 3 fab shops are running the same machines. We try to keep all of them uniform, so it's able to keep us all on, on the same track, going down the same path and sharing lessons that we've learned over the past few months.
How can we help each other is the key to a lot of that stuff, but we constantly do jobs together, split it up based on the size of it, and it takes the team of 3 to put it together. Then it becomes the battle of who's faster.